So hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we talk about the JavaScript call and apply method. This is most important things in a JavaScript. So you have to be understand actually how going to be a work this one. Okay. So call method. First we talk about the call, and after that we call about the apply method. So here is the example. First, call method is a predefined JavaScript object, and it can be called methods within a object methods as an arguments parameter. Okay, so so what we can do is first we just const and student one data equal to, so first name equal to, first name is like a John, and last name is something Kumar something. Okay, so when we actually pass this variable, what happen exactly? Okay, we talk about this one argument later. So what happen exactly, you can see there. So there is a John Kumar is coming there. Okay, but in a call method you can like pass the parameter also, means arguments also, as well as a, so example we just give the example city name. I'm just a little bit. Okay, it's a city is like Mumbai, and another city is a pin code example. We give pin code like a 10818. Okay, and we have to be call this method to here. Okay, so what we can do, we just put the city first here and just use the pin code. Okay, and we call this method here. So let's give city plus plus, and it's a pin code. Okay, we try to run and check whatever I get. Okay, you see this, you can pass the argument also, but argument is like a separately, and this is the object, this is the object we send. So what we understand in a call function, we just send our data to this function person full name function, and return those value, and plus we send the arguments also. So apply. So today, now we talk about apply. Apply also is the same thing, similar to the call. But what is different between this one? We talk about this one. First, we run the same data. You get a error because we don't have a declare this thing. Okay, I should remove this one. Okay, you see, only this one is also similar work to the call. But what is the difference between call and apply? We talk about this one things. So you see, like before we send the argument as an separately like this in a call, but now we send the value as an array. So yep, yes, you guys right. In apply we send the value like a arguments as a in an array. So what we can do, so first example is a Mumbai, and second one is a pin code example. Okay, something like this, and we same we just call the city and like a pin code. Okay, so in that we just okay, give the this mark, and we contain the value and plus, and we do this one space the bit and pin code. See, let's say John Kumar and like Mumbai and 40056. Okay, there you go. So that is the difference between with this one. So okay, I just copy one more thing and do the example of the same. Okay, so you can see we have a, okay, so is a call function also is there, is apply function also is there. We just write the call function. This one is apply function. This question is mostly asked in interview, so you have to guys prepare. In a call method we can set the parameter argument as a separately, but in a apply we send the parameter arguments as a array, as in an array. So that's the difference between call and apply, so please remember. Okay.